So how it works is, suppose I'm opening the QR code scanner from my phone. So what will happen is it will start scanning this code. So I'm scanning for the Excel dose. So now you can see at the top you will see this pop-up. So simply just click on this particular pop-up. The moment you click on this pop-up, your record will automatically recorded in the backend, which will be our form response 1. Now you can see it will also capture the timing. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video we'll learn how to create a attendance form which will work with a QR code. So let's get started with the video. To create an attendance form in the Google Sheet, first thing is we need a blank template. For that what we have to do is we have to type here sheets.new. So it will create a new blank spreadsheet. Now you can see in the new blank template is here. So first thing is we have to give the name to this particular sheet. I'm giving it as a test Excel dose. Okay, now here we have to mention all the headers, like what kind of headers we need. First header is like first name, and then next is last name or maybe a second name, then here the full name, and here the URL, and here it will be a QR code. Okay, so now the first name is Excel and the second name is dose, and here I will add the multiple entry. So now let me add here the James Bond also, or HEMA, or it's like a VST. Okay, so now we have to give the full name. For that we have to use a formula here, equal to concatenate this one, and we need here the space. We'll apply the space here also, and dose. Now you can see here, simply just press Ctrl Enter. Okay, so now I will paste it as a value. Now this part is done, so I will bold this one also. Okay, so now next thing is we have to create a form. For that what we have to do is we have to type here form.new. Okay, so it will create a new blank form. So here we'll have to give the title. So I will give it as a welcome to the class. So you can give any name also. Okay, so class. The same thing will be here also. Okay, so once it is done, we have to give here all the full name. So I will type here full name, then we have to go to our sheet and simply just copy these name. Okay, and then paste it here. Before that, first we have to select this one multiple choice. It means the radio button only. So then paste here in the option 1. Then just mark this as a required, because we need all the information should be recorded. Then first thing is what we have to do is we have to give the again Google form to these names. Okay, for the Excel dose it will be a separate form, for the James Bond it will be a separate form. For that what we have to do is we have to click on these 3 dots and then click on get pre-filled link. So what does it mean is, suppose if Excel dose is clicking on that link or the scanning the code, then their name should select. Okay, so for the Excel dose I will select the Excel dose, then click on get link and then copy the link. Okay, then you can paste it here. So it's very simple. So then we have to do the same thing for the James Bond. So select the James Bond and then get link, copy link, and then we'll paste it here also. Okay, then the same for the HEMA. So then copy the link here. The next thing is what we have to do is we have to change this view form to the form response. For that form R should be capital, form response. Then we have to remove USP equal to pp -URL ampersand. Okay, so then just simply remove this one, or you can copy this one also, so that we can apply for the others also. So I will apply here also, and then here it will be a form response. I will come to this part later, like what does it mean is. So now you can see it's almost done. Okay, So now what does it mean is, suppose Excel DOS is opening the QR code, so you will see it will automatically select only the Excel DOS, not a James Bond. And if we do for the HEMA, so the same thing will apply to the HEMA. Now you can see it automatically select the HEMA's name. Okay, so now this one is done. So let me close this window. The next thing is this one, email address. So it is not mandatory. If you want to record their email address, then you can do it, else you are not supposed to. Okay, so now if you don't want, so simply click on this setting buttons and then click on this collect email address. We don't want to record their email, so if you want to limit to the response, you can select this one also, but for this example I am not restricting this one, so I will simply click on save button. So once it is done, we have to record all these entry to this particular sheet. Okay, for that what we have to do is we have to click on these three dots, then click on select response destination and then select the existing spreadsheet, then click on select. Then I will select here test Excel DOS, so it will create new tab here. Okay, so once it is done, now we have to create here the QR code. For that what we have to do is we have to type here QR code API in Google. Okay, so then simply click the enter button, then you will see this particular URL. So I will mention the same URL in video description, you can copy from there also. So then simply copy this root URL. Okay, then we have to go to the sheet here again. So now I will type here that particular URL. Since the QR code will be the image, so I will type here image, then we have to select all these parameter or the argument. Now the first is like URL, so I will mention here the URL, then we have to mention others parameter. For that what we have to do is we have to enter here the ampersand sign, then select these parameters CHT equal to QR. Okay, then simply this one and then again ampersand, then select the CHS, which is like image size or the QR code size. Then for this particular example I am giving the size as 150 into 150 and then again ampersand, and then the last argument which is CHL, which is nothing actually, just a data from where we have to collect the data. So CHL equal to, then just mention this one and then ampersand again, and now we have to mention the from where the QR should generated. For this example the URL should be generated from the URL, so I will select the D2. So now you can see it will create a new QR code. The same formula we have to paste here also. Since it is very small, so we'll have to just increase the size. So now once it is done, so you can see it's almost done. So for next thing is what we have to do is we have to scan this particular code. To scan this code, so what we have to do is we have to open a QR code scanner from the phone. So let me open this QR code scanner and then I will scan this code for James Bond. So let me, now you can see this pop-up is coming, so simply click on this pop-up. The moment you click on this pop-up, so the response will automatically recorded in the form response 1. Now you can see the record has been recorded from the James Bond. So this is how you can create this simple and very attractive attendance form in the Google Sheet. I will mention the same template in the video description. You can use it for the reference. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Excel DOS. Thank you.